Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Wednesday and the date is 28th April 2021. Today we are going to do work in our maths worksheet. Students, kindly turn to this page. Now write down name and today's date. And the topic is count and write. Students, as you all can see, there are pictures of some penguins, some baby penguins, clouds, stars and snowflakes. What we have to do, we have to count them and we have to write the correct number in the boxes given below. So start writing with me. Now first we have to count the number of eggs present in the picture. I can see one egg here and the second is here. So the answer is 2 eggs. Now let's count the clouds. 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 clouds in the picture. We can write 3 over here. Now we have to count the baby penguins. 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 baby penguins, so we will write 3 over here. Now moving on to the 4th box, we have to count the number of penguins present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 penguins present in the picture, so we will write 5 over here. Then we have to count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 bunch of stars. We are going to write 10 here. Now moving on to the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 snowflakes. We will write 6 over here. So in this way we are done with this page. Now moving on to the next page. Now student, this page is about even and odd numbers. Do you know what are even and odd numbers? Even numbers are those numbers which can be divided into pairs. Like for example, we can divide 2 into equal pairs of 1 and 2. We can also divide 4 into equal pairs of 2 and 2. In the same way, we can also divide 8 into pairs of 4 and 4. Whereas odd numbers are those numbers which cannot be divided into pairs. Like 3, we cannot divide 3 into equal pairs. So what we have to do in this, there is a jar given which is filled of even and odd numbers. And we have to fill the even numbers with yellow color and the odd numbers with orange color. So start doing the coloring. First I am coloring all the even numbers. 12 is an even number, 24 is an even number, 50 is an even number because it can be divided into 25 and 25. Then 8 is an even number, 16, 2, 14, 44, 10. 48 is an even number, 34 is an even number, 26 is an even number, 32 is also an even number. Now moving on to the other one, we have to color all the odd numbers orange. Students, as you all can see, how can we judge a 2-digit number? Is it a even number or an odd number? For 2-digit numbers, we will look at the second number. For example, in 31, we will look at 1. Is it an odd number or an even number? As 1 is an odd number, so 31 will also be an odd number. So we are going to color it orange. In the same way, look at 45. 5 is an odd number, so 45 will also be an odd number. 17 is also an odd number. 27, 35, 41, 21, 39, 7, 23, 3, 11, 25, 5, 17, 1, 43, 15. All these are odd numbers. So students, we are done with this worksheet.